I've watched many tutorials on YouTube for adding your own music from your gallery or your files to your Instagram post, but all of these tutorials are just fake. So let's explore a legit way to add your own music to Instagram posts. So first of all, what you have to do is you need to convert your music to a video format. It means your music should not be in MP3 format. If it is an audio, you have to convert it to video using an editor. You can simply attach an image to it. Now simply listen to this music that I'm going to add to my post. Listen to it. For example, this is the music that we will add in our post. This is currently residing in our gallery. So for using this music with our post, you have to open up Instagram account and you have to log in to one of your other Instagram accounts first. Why this? You'll just be clear in a minute. So after logging into another Instagram account, you have to tap on this plus button and go to Reel. Now select that video containing the music from the gallery and tap on next, next again, and simply tap on share. Now just wait for this reel to be shared. Now here you can see that reel with the music has been posted. You can listen to it here. Now what you have to do is you have to send this reel to that official account on which you want to post. Now after sending this reel to your official account, you have to log in again to your official account on which you want to post. Now you have to open the inbox and open that reel which contains the music. Now you have to tap on this profile picture available at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next you have to tap on the save button. Now 80% of the work is done. Now you have to go back and back again. Now you have to tap on this plus button and go to the post that you want to post on your profile. For example, this is the picture that I want to post. It can also be a carousel. You can select multiple photos as well, but I'm going with one. And tap on next button. Now tap on this music button available, which is the first option in this list. Next you have to tap on the save button and that audio that we have just saved is appearing at the top of the list. Now listen to the music. Now as you have listened to the music, tap on next button and next again. Now when I'll post this photo, here you can see the original audio and this is the one that was available in our gallery. Now this is the only way to do it. You have to first of all post it to your another account as a reel, then save it to your music, and then you can use that music into your posts. So that's how you use your own music in Instagram posts. Thank you so much.